page.
That's what she said.
What is up, beautiful people? So finally, as promised, here's the YouTube channel. I think this is gonna be the first video, and if not, it's gonna be the second one since, like, you know, TikTok, whatever. So welcome, family, welcome everybody. Today, I'm actually gonna do a video where I go ship out these pants here, off of that sold on Depop. Link in my bio. Link down below for everything. Go follow Depop, Instagram, YouTube, which you're on right now. LOL. This is gonna be such a weird adjustment, but you guys can go do all that stuff on here. Links all down below in my bio. But today we're gonna go get this thing. I have to buy a label printer so I can start selling more stuff on Depop, and I have to do all this extra hassle. But I'm gonna go to Walmart, pick up some bubble mailers, hopefully big enough ones for like this product here, as well as some other stuff. And that's gonna be going out in the future, probably a few small boxes or whatever. And yeah, so that's what today's goal is. I'm gonna get ship this out and have a good little day. So, and also there's a new place out here in Houston called, what's it called? Houston Vintage Warehouse. I might check out as well. I'm gonna see where it's at. I'm gonna figure out like a day I can go out to it and make that move as well. So super hype for the day. I'm also gonna be working, honestly, I'm creating YouTube videos for you guys. Like I told you, I promise. I'm gonna be looking into, I'm gonna take you guys along the her journey today, honestly. I'll be looking into upgrading the setup right here. So some new monitors and stuff like that. I'm looking into an actual camera for YouTube, and a couple other stuff. So you guys are gonna see me jot down my plans on this board probably, and we'll go from there. But anyways, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned throughout the rest of the video. I promise I'll keep it exciting as much as possible. We're gonna have a good time. So with that being said, catch you in the next clip. So we're about to get ready. Set you guys down right here. Oh. Shoot. Keys Louise. Okay. Listen. This house tweaking. No cap. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in.
That's what she said.
Boom. Morning. So basically what this is cleaner right here. Don't you know how like there's like those local political like campaign people, whatever? Send me messages right now. Well, you know what? We good cause. And look, I respect everyone's views, okay? So I expect you to respect mine too. But I will just say this. Right now, the way the country's operating, I'm not a fan of. The only way we're gonna change that is to change the people in power. Simple as that. So that's my stance on it. So I don't like to get political, unless we're talking finances. That part of stuff does matter to me in a weird way. This is probably a really horrible angle.
That's what she said.
Yeah, so let me get this toothbrush. Great toothpaste. 3 Crest White. So I get the pearly whites. Honestly, it's really not though. For a while, I used some like charcoal stuff. I wrote off my sister, low key. I'm gonna buy her some more toothpaste now, which I kinda am sometimes, won't even lie. But yeah. How many of you guys floss after you brush your teeth? I'm trying to get better. I think this one was like a thing on TikTok not too long ago. Shots. Okay, anyways. I just like a mixture of bleach and mint, which I don't really mind. Oh well. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go change the fit. I got an idea what I'm gonna wear, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm wearing right now. Literally, it's just these little, you know, what do you call these? Effing, what the heck is it? What are these called? Windbreakers. Yeah, so I'm wearing these windbreakers right now. I'm gonna keep these on. I'm gonna put on my Cortezes, my white black Cortezes, t-shirt and a vest, Nike vest. I picked up at the thrift store for like $2. And then we're gonna keep it going. First things first, I use this Purity bad boy right here. Use this stuff right here. After I wash my face with this, I use Hope in a Jar. This is all by the Philosophy brand. I made a video review on it not too long ago, so you guys can go check that out if you would like to. We are fit, ready, drip is engaged. Got this nice little vintage tee I picked up here. Picked this up for like 99 cents. This one here was about $2, this vest here. These were some old pants, already had it, and then I'm hitting with the Cortezes. Yeah, so plans include, I'm gonna go do all that. I'm gonna stop by the mall. Probably pick up some new jewelry because I have a Spencer's card. Buy 2 more things so I can get some more jewelry. So I'm probably gonna try to use that today. And then I'm gonna ship off this package, and then I'm gonna see if I'll pick up some shoes today too. So let's see how that goes. So love y'all, and I'll see you in the next clip. The mall, y'all. Right now, just got some jewelry. This guy's on this little scooter thingy. Cool little trip. I was gonna get some shoes today, but I changed my mind. I'm actually gonna wait till another day to go get some. So once I finish that, I'm gonna hit you guys later. How you doing? We're gonna go ahead right now and go drop off that package at the post office. I can get shipped out as soon as they are shipping everything out. So, colorful candy spot. But yeah, so that's what the deal is for that. Got a couple messages on Air BnB I need to check out. And I just got some new piercings. I'm gonna show you guys the, new jewelry for my piercing, so.
This is not a game show. This is Silent Library.
So, I have ended up in Half-Price Books. Right now, I'm actually in the, what's it called? Collectibles and old-fashioned books right now. Checking out some stuff. I'm not sure exactly if I'm gonna buy anything. I'm gonna definitely look at some notebooks. Once I have that, I might be good to go. So here's some of the collectibles and stuff in here. I'm gonna take a picture of this and do some research and start learning about different collectibles and stuff like that, because it's definitely a big interest of mine, including art and collecting art and stuff like that too. So I'm gonna try my best to start educating myself on that, so that way I can become well versed, I should say. And so you guys can see more of that on his channel as well as I continue onward. But yeah, we're gonna be looking at different collectible items and stuff like that, and building some sort of art collection and whatnot as well. So you guys let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll do my best to bring that to the table as well. And yeah, so see ya. So I'm actually about to make dinner, y'all, so that's gonna end today's vlog. But obviously I wish I had more, but it's gonna get better over time, so trust me when I say that. But yeah, so I'm about to edit the video you're watching right now, and then I'm also going to cook, so I'm gonna make a cooking video, so you guys can watch that too. So that being said, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.